Hi, I'm Federico from Rubino, and today I want to talk to you about the RIVETECH components, coated as per the design. RIVETECH products are compounds of elastomers applied to cold vulcanizing techniques on different types of materials, for example plastic, steel or aluminium. In the industrial automation sector, it is often necessary to protect the transported product to preserve its integrity. To do this, we at Rubino coat the components and machine parts to avoid any incidents. The compounds used for coating are divided into two main categories, expanded and compact, according to the level of protection you wish to obtain. As they are moulded as per the design, the products adapt perfectly to the component without increasing the dimensions within the system. A wide range of compounds are available and can be chosen according to the use. Maximum hold on the coating thanks to our vulcanization methods. RIVETECH products are mainly used in the cosmetics, tobacco, wood and packaging sectors, and all other sectors with the same type of requirement. For example, felt or polyester foam coatings are used in anti-scratch coatings, whereas natural rubber is used to coat the grippers in the palletizer lines. For more information, please visit our website prubino.it. Thank you and see you soon.